myself. Hello everyone, myself Pratiksha Dole. I am from Goregaon and I am the ex-student of ADSS batch. Today my topic is neighbor. So first of all, what is meant by neighbor? Neighbor means a person who are beside us, no matter in the way of international way, in our country or in our household or in our town. So firstly starting from our home. So in our hometown, some people live beside our home. So when our parents are not our house, are not our place, then we live at that place and they help us in many manners. So some neighbors are in our favor and some are not in our favor. Because we just can't define them that as a bad neighbor or a good neighbor because our perspective should not be judgmental to anyone depending upon their qualities and their qualities and their qualities which they do not pursue. So just come to the countryside way because when the concepts are broader, it is easy to understand. So firstly came to our country India. So there are many neighbors to our country India such as Nepal, Bhutan, which are the friendly country from which we import and export so many things in a good manner. But some countries like Pakistan, they are not that favorable in our situation. So they just became a obstacle in the development of our country. So for the growth of any country, there are two factors. Some are the internal factors and some are the external factors. The internal factors as the population of our country and the gender equality ratio in our country, which contribute to the GDP of our country, and some external factors that how our neighbor countries support us to grow and expand some businesses, such as the country like Russia, which help us in so much manner that we can look at them and develop so many things in our country. And when we go towards China, so just one thing we can learn from them is they produces a lot of quantity and make that available at a very cheap quality. So the one thing which we can learn from them that there are lots of population in China which we overtake few years ago. So they have a lots of workers in their country. So the production becomes very easy for them. And this is the one thing which we can learn from them. So we can learn that we can have lots of things which we can take from our neighbors. But some countries which are like Pakistan, again I am not on to just point out on them, but it's just that in their behavior or in their aura that they are not that favorable or not that beneficial to our country. They always find something mischief in our country and try to do this quarrel and all those things with us. So again coming to my point, so now just come to our hometown. Some people which are in our hometown and we just learn that some elders siblings are there of our neighbors. So our mother just keep on stating that like Sharma ji ki beti dekho, like Sharma ji ka beta dekho, that they have done so much good in their career or in their sports, whatever field they choose. So from this there are two perspectives. It's depend upon us that how we use it. And my personal opinion is that the beauty lies in the eyes of viewer. That is upon us that how we take that. We take it as a motivation or we take it as a feeling of jealousy that why we just always keep on telling us that look at them, because they have done something good or they have achieved something good in their life. That's why our parents keeps on telling us that you look at them and be like them. So we just always have a good attitude that we can take a very good thing from them also. So when it's come to Pakistan, I have already told some negative points, but there are some positive points which, if your perspective is good, you can notice. So when Neeraj Chopra sir and some other Olympic player, I just don't remember his name, he was also there in the competition and they both failed. But the Pakistan player didn't have his national flag, but our Neeraj Chopra sir just came to him and offered him our national flag, and they both shared the national flag. So at the international level, they showed that Pakistan and India showed a very good friendship-like relation. So beside of all bad things or some unfavorable things they have done to our country, still our and their players or all the players which shows our country or represent our country at international level always shown that we share a relation of friendship. So no matter what our relatives do to us, it's our responsibility that we should be always good and grateful to them, because it is said in Hindi that नफरत को सिर्फ एक ही चीज से जीता जा सकता है और वो है मोहब्बत. If someone just hate us, and still we just always be a good person and offers them good thing that no matter whatever it is, you are our neighbor. So let it be anything, we are with you. So they just keep it changing and just make some changes in their behavior. So lastly, I would like to give you my advice that no matter how your neighbors are, you should always try to be a good neighbor, because the change should come within. When we try to be a good neighbor, we will be a good neighbor to anyone, and then anyone